Have you ever felt like you needed a hand with your renovation project, but you just can't rely on someone else? Well, stress no more, because these techniques are bound to assist you with your project with ease. Number 8. The EXOSHELL Pre-Fab. These composite exterior wall panels are a lightweight composite alternative to cold form steel and wood framing. All of the components are factory assembled, fire-coated and shipped ready for installation. As an environmentally sustainable panel, these are bound to revolutionize the way buildings are built. As a high-performance facade system that is purely made in the United States, this composite wall is definitely a rising piece of constructions that is sure a winner in the industry. Number 7. Insulfoam's Geofoam. This Geofoam consists of a closed-cell, expanded polystyrene. As we already know with polystyrene products, they are extremely insulative, lightweight, and highly durable for wear and tear, especially over a long period of time. Alongside this, the Geofoam is extremely weather-resistant as it is able to withstand freeze-thaw temperatures, immense amounts of moisture, and the runoff of road salts. Number 6. Augmented Reality. Augmented reality relates to transporting the construction worker to a digital version of what the construction's outcome would look like. This consists of using a mobile device with augmented reality functionality, then integrating the construction professional with the initial and final product of the project. For example, a construction worker could point their device at a nearby wall, and the device could display the building plans for that wall as if they were part of the real world. Number 5. JD Composites. Another trailblazer towards environmental sustainability. This company uses top-of-the-line technology to recycle and reuse plastic bottles in order to manufacture buildings. All of these recycled plastic panels are suitable to withstand immense amounts of pressure, just like a normal brick wall would. This Canadian company thrives off being environmentally sustainable whilst also being ethically produced. In the first year alone, 2 million bottles were used in their production. So it is safe to state that these composites will definitely turn heads in the very near future. Number 4. Lok-n-Blok. Kinda like playing with Lego, these Lok-n-Blok are an environmentally sustainable alternative to the use of bricks and mortar. All you need to do is order a pallet load and lock your blocks together using the provided alignments. These are also a lot more insulative compared to our traditional bricks. These Lok-n-Bloks are a must-have for the next construction projects that you'll be working on due to its ease of installation alongside its insulative properties. Number 3. Self-healing concrete. Since concrete is one of the most used materials in the world, a few specialists have incorporated bacteria that lives into the concrete material itself. This bacteria helps with automatically repairing any cracks or breaks that may appear over time or from an external puncture. Therefore, it offers a great long-term solutions for concrete degradation. Number 2. 3D printed buildings. With the rise in 3D printing comes the rise of 3D printed buildings. Companies are now leveraging 3D printing to create materials on site to be a practical and more efficient versions of the original. This decreases the reliance on extensive supply chains and reduces project costs overall. Nowadays, we are seeing more extensive use cases where architectural designs are uploaded directly to 3D printing software. Number 1. Building Informations Modeling. Building Informations Modeling, otherwise known as BIM, has become a recent game changer for the construction industry, as it is able to showcase project development in an open and highly collaborative environment. This technology shows several benefits to construction companies as it makes resource management more accessible, allows for enhanced collaborations, and helps people stay in touch throughout the project. Subscribe.